Okay, good morning to everyone. Okay, so I hope yung last lesson na meron tayo regarding division of polynomials ay medyo master na natin yun. Ano po? So, please lang, gaya na sinabi ko before the start of this lesson vlog, na you have to be more critical and lahat ng ating lesson is being connected from one place to another. So, kung na-miss mo yung division of polynomials, well, siguro medyo you will find hard time in understanding the next topic na meron tayo. Okay? So, gaya na sinabi ko, since this is being posted sa YouTube or Facebook, please, tingnan nyo lang para at least makasagot kayo. Okay? So, let's proceed without further ado. Our topic for today is more on remainder theorem and factor theorem. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin remainder, connected to nung previous lesson na meron tayo. Okay? In division of polynomials. So, remainder. Ang factor theorem mamaya, medyo pag-uusapan natin to ng konti. Pero madali lang naman to. Okay, mag-alala. Okay? So, before we proceed, by the way, I'm a grade 10 mathematics teacher and my name is Mark C. Muayka. Okay, so let's proceed now with the lesson for today. So, if you see this kind of hard, so alam nyo na ibig kong sabihin. So, you have your 1 minute with you to finish this task first. So, let's have the review muna about this one. So, this is the previous lesson, division of polynomials. So, you can either use division, long division, or the synthetic division. So, kung saan kayo mapapadali, dun lang tayo. Since this is 1 minute already, so, divide natin itong 5x to the 4th minus 3x to the cube plus 2x squared minus 7x plus 13. Divide natin kay x plus 4. So, you have 1 minute and that 1 minute starts now. Okay, so always remember na you have to check the dividend, kung nasa decreasing order ba. So pag sinabi natin decreasing order, so mas mataas yung x to the 4th, dapat x to the 4th, x cubed, yung power at tinitingnan natin. Okay? Mukhang mabilis lang yung time natin. Malapit na mawala yung puso dyan. So pag nawala yan, we will going to start answering this problem. Okay? Okay, so matagal pa. Okay, ready, time's up. Okay, so if you are still doing such things pa rin, okay lang yan. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Pero makinig ka sa mga susunod nating discussions dito, okay? Or sabayan mo na lang ako. So if you see this kind of problem, I prefer using synthetic. Again, sinabi ko in the previous lesson na meron tayo. Synthetic is one, if you want to maging fastest ka dito sa pag-solve nito. Okay? Kasi pag sa long division, yes, it is accurate also. Kaya lang medyo marami kang process na gagawin. Samantalang sa synthetic, napakasimple lang. The first step is you have to test x plus 4. So, gaya na sinabi ko, x plus 4, pag tinest mo sa 0, yung plus na yan, pag tinawid natin sa equals ay magiging negative 4. Okay, so since you have the device already being fixed with synthetic, the next thing is to realign the, syempre, numerical coefficient na meron tayo dito. So you have your 5, you have negative 3 in 3x cubed, you have your 2 in x squared, you have negative 7 in x, and you have positive 13 sa last part. Again, the same pattern, bring down the first term, which is 5, and then multiply the 5 to sa negative 4 sa ating divisor. So 5 times negative 4, you have negative 20. Again, the same process, negative 3, negative 20. So, so yun nalilito ko ng gagawin dito, simple lang, umutang ka ng 3, umutang ka ng 20, ilan ang utang mo? Siyempre, 23, so utang pa rin. Okay, so negative 23 multiplied by negative 4, so this is positive 92. Okay, so calculator lang to. So 2 multiplied by 92, therefore this is 94. No, 2 plus 92 pala. Sorry about that. And then 94 multiplied by negative 4, I guess this is 16,376. So this is negative 376. Ang reason kasi positive yung 94, negative yung 4. Kaya siya naging negative. And then if we add this one, negative, you have negative 383 with you. Okay, so negative 383 and then multiply again to negative 4. This is 1,532 already. Okay, so add natin to. So this is 1,545. Now, our answer, gaya na sinabi ko, we just simply, dun sa ating original, x to the fourth. So sa ating answer, we just simply subtract 1 sa x to the fourth. So ang sunod natin dito, x to the fourth to x cubed na. So yung 5 natin has 5x cubed. Sunod yun din, negative 23x squared, positive 94x, negative 383. And notice yung 1,545 natin is our remainder. So we put this one as plus 1,545 over x plus 4. So, I hope tama tayo sa mga ginawa natin. Kung hindi naman, well, balik-balikan nyo lang ulit. Just repeat this process with you para maintindihan nyo parate. Okay, para makahanap din kayo ng ibang solusyon. Malay nyo, mas mabilis pa rin sa inyo. Okay? So, how to write your answer in a dividend form. So, pag sinabing dividend, titingnan natin kung paano ba siya isinusulat in a dividend form. Notice that P of X over d of x is equal to q of x plus r over d of x. So yung p of x natin, this is your dividend. D of x is your divisor. Notice the divisor is being spread by the both equation. So q of x natin is the quotient and r is our remainder. So paano natin gagawin yung dividend? How to write this dividend? Okay. So the first thing is, notice, tatanggalin natin yung d of x, yung divisor. So pag tinanggal natin, so since may d of x dito sa left side, sa right side ninyo meron, which is under the remainder. So ang gagawin natin, we will multiply all those equation by dx. So kaya naging dx, ganyan. Notice that dx multiplied by p of x divided by d of x. And then equals d of x and then q of x. So, ba't ko multiply yung q of x? Kasi, ang q of x has a denominator of 1. So, I need to multiply. So, sa gaya na sinabi ko, kailangan dito lahat. Pag multiply mo sa isa, yung multiply mo din talaga sa lahat. And then the same with d of x multiplied by r over d of x. Okay? So, cancel the d of x kung dapat. So, pwede natin cancelin to. So, d of x, and then yung isang d of x, d of x. So, bakit hindi natin na-cancel yung d of x times q of x? Kasi nga, wala naman d of x yung q of x. So, nagka-d of x lang siya because we multiply. Okay? So, p of x, which is our dividend is equal to the divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder. Okay, so bakit ko in-stress or pinipinpoint to? Because this is necessary sa susunod na topic na meron tayo para mas mabilis lang. Okay po? Okay, next na tayo. So, kung ganyan ang ating scenario, 5x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x plus 13 divided by x plus 4, written natin sa quotient, which is 5x cubed minus 93x squared plus 94x minus 383 plus 1,545 over x plus 4 as our remainder. Ang magiging dividend form na niya ay kanya na. So yung dividend natin, equals natin sa x plus 4 times natin sa quotient and then plus natin sa remainder. Okay, so madali lang yung dividend form. Ano po? So wag po kayong mahihirapan dyan. Pwede nyong matik-matikin yan. Kung gusto niyo tanggalin yung d of x, yung divisor doon. And then yung divisor, itabi nyo lang doon sa quotient, tapos ka na. Wala ka ng problema. Okay? So pwedeng ganun na style. Now, let's talk about remainder theorem. From the word remainder itself, actually, nakukuha na natin ito kanina sa ginagawa natin. But we need to be more formal in this kind of topic, ano? Kasi theorem to, theory. So if the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is p of c. Okay, so p of x is equal to x minus c. So yung x daw natin doon, what if yung ating x will turn to c? If we let x is equal to c, therefore this is p of c is equal to c minus c of q of x plus r. So yung ating c of c, this will serve as 0. So p of c natin is equal to 0. So 0 na natin and then 0. So therefore p of c is equal to r. So ibig sabihin, in a layman's term, pag meron tayong nakitang sobra, yun na yung remainder. Okay, let's try to put this one into practice. Remainder theorem. Try natin hanapin kung meron siyang remainder. Divide natin. So x cubed minus 10x squared plus 5x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. So test muna natin yung x plus 3. So therefore this is x plus 3 minus 3. So kung ayaw nyo yung kanyang proseso, kung positive yan, pag tinawid mo sa kabila, negative 3 kagad. So parang mabilis lang. Okay, so since x is equal to negative 3, so yung p of x natin is equal to x cubed minus 10x squared plus 5x plus 3. So by means of substitution, since x is equal to negative 3, magiging p of negative 3. Notice that negative 3 raised to the power of 3 and then minus 10, negative 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 5, negative 3 plus 3. So therefore, this is negative 129. So that is a remainder. Okay, yan yung remainder theorem. Now, if you're nagkaroon ka ng doubt dito sa ating mga pattern na ginawa natin substitution, you can use the synthetic division as you're checking. O kaya, pwede na rin ang synthetic ang gamitin ninyo. Kaya lang maging maingat lang kayo. Okay? So still the same process since x is equal, we test the device already which is negative 3. So, realign lang natin. 1, negative 10, 5, and then 3. So, bring down 1. So, you have your 1 with you. So, negative 3, negative 10. So, negative 13 yan. Multiply by 3. So, that is positive 39. 39 plus 5. You have 44. 44 by negative 3. That is negative 132. Since negative 132 plus natin kay 3, so subtract natin ng 3, yung 132, therefore you have negative 129. So since yung negative 129 tsaka negative 129, we can now say that both of this pattern pwede natin gamitin. Okay, kung saan lang po kayo mapapadali, doon lang tayo. Kung nahihirapan ka dito sa p of x, you can use the synthetic division para mabilis tayo. Okay, by the way, what is p of x? That is dividend form ng pagsusulat natin ng sagot. Okay, so let's proceed. What is factor theorem? So we are done. May remainder tayo and the next is factor. Now, in factor theorem, meron tayong dapat i-analyze na buti or yung basis natin sa factor theorem. It states that p of c is equal to 0. Then, x minus c is a factor of p of x. So, ano bang ibig sabihin nun? If x minus c is a factor of p of x, then p of c is equal to 0. So, this is actually synthesis na meron tayo. Okay? So, paliwanag natin kung paano. So, by using this one, so p of x natin is x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. So, test natin yung divisor. So, this will serve as, okay, so 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus minus 4 times 2. So, this is 8. And then negative 4, negative 8 plus 4. So, this is p of 2 is equal to 0. Since yung p of 2 natin is equal to 0, it means that x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, ibig sabihin, yung x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4 consists siya by x minus 2. Ibig sabihin, merong x minus 2 sa loob niya. Okay, yan yung ibig sabihin nun. So, it means that x minus 2 is a factor. So without x minus 2, you cannot build x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay? Hindi mo mabibuild yan. Pag tinanggal mo yan, mag-iiba na yung equation na meron tayo. So yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Okay? So let's have another example. Exercise tayo. So you know na what is remainder? Pag remainder theorem, of course, may natira. P of C is equal to R, meaning meron remainder. Pero pag ang ating P of C is equal to 0, it means that is a factor. Okay, so let's work. So you have 3x squared plus 5x squared minus 8 divided by x minus 4. Notice yan ay pwede hindi mo na i-rearrange yan kung hindi naman synthetic ang gagamitin mo. Pero kung synthetic, you have to rearrange that one. So this is x minus 4. I-test muna natin divisor by 0. So this is x minus 4 again. X is equal to 4. So P of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5x minus 8. So ganun lang din yan. 3, 4, and then 3 times 4 raised to the power of 2. 5 times 4 raised to the power of 3 minus 8. So P of 4 natin, so 16, 64. So this is 48 plus 320 minus 8. So P of 4 natin is equal to 360. So therefore, remainder theorem ang meron tayo. Since P of 4 is equal to 360, therefore, x minus 4 is not a factor of 3x squared plus 5x cubed minus 8. So yun ang ibig sabihin nun. So pag may remainder, yung x minus 4 is not, yung divisor is not a factor dun sa dividend. Okay? So naiintindihan na. So ibig sabihin yung x minus 4, hindi yan. Kahit wala yung x minus 4, 3x squared plus 5x cubed minus 8 still, yun pa rin yun. Okay? Wala siyang connect, hindi siya connected sa x minus 4. So it's not a factor of it. Okay? So another example. So x plus 1. So notice x plus 1. So that's how you write. So may mga problem na ganito ang written, ano? So that is division yan. So x squared minus x minus 2. So x plus 1. Again, test natin. So negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. So since P of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 2, so substitute the value of x. So this is P of negative 1. So negative 1 squared minus negative 1 minus 2. So therefore this is negative 1, positive 1. Negative times negative, that is positive also. Kaya 1 plus 1 na yan. So that is equal to 0. So since nag-0 siya, it means that P of negative 1 is equal to 0 since, therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of x squared minus x minus 2. Meaning, x squared minus x minus 2 cannot stand alone without x plus 1. Hindi siya mabubuo kung wala si x plus 1. So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng ating topic for today. Okay? So, madali lang siya. Again, pag medyo nabibilisan sa lesson ko, always repeat lang to watch, listen, and try para ma-retain ninyo. So, kagandahan ito pag nasa video kasi is pwede mo siyang balik-balikan. Okay? Pag nalilito ka, kung gusto mong mag-review, kung ayaw mong mag-solve, so you can watch this one. Pero, gaya na sinasabi ko, iba pa rin pag yung sinusubukan mo ang isang bagay. Kasi yung retention doon, madali mo siyang maiintindihan pag parati mong ginagawa ang isang bagay. Okay? So, please like and subscribe as always and hope to see you on the next lesson or topic that we have. God bless, guys.